Hello, I am Vincent Bygrave. I work for Atik Cameras in sales and support. We have a few questions from social media. Steve, what are the questions, please?
Well, Vince, the first question is, how do you decide on exposure times? Is there a standard rule of thumb?
Yes, exposure times can depend on many things. Light pollution can be a factor. Sky conditions can be a factor. You need to choose an exposure time to suit your object that you're trying to image, so as that you don't saturate an image, saturate and wipe out the data in that image. Narrowband imaging, you might find you need to do longer exposures than, say, with LRGB filters. If you're doing longer exposures, you need to be guiding, so you need sort of an accurate guiding in the mount. These can also be factors of how long you can expose for. My personal preferences are start around 300 seconds exposures. This way you can get a very good image from 5-minute exposures, but if you get things like aeroplanes, satellites and bits and pieces, you don't lose a massive long exposure if something goes wrong. Binning 2x2 can also shorten the exposure times. This is commonly used with LRGB imaging, where the L is binned 1x1 and say 300 seconds, and then the RGB filters can be binned 2x2 at 150 seconds. This seems to balance up quite nicely.
Thanks, Vince. Question number 2. How to troubleshoot heterogeneous elongated stars on a frame. Now, I'm guessing by heterogeneous what it means we have some round stars maybe in the centre of the frame and some elongated stars near the frame edge.
Yes. Again, elongated stars can be caused by a few things. It could be just coma in the actual optical system, which is causing it. This would usually be all the way around the outside, so the image would have like a dished effect. It could be the collimation of the telescope, or it could indeed be defects in the optical system of the telescope itself. It could be, and this is the common one, the connections from the camera to the telescope itself, or the focuser. There could be a slight amount of flop in the focuser. So all these sorts of things are worth checking first. As a last resort, you can suspect the levelness of the CCD, but in the 10 years that I've been doing repairs, I haven't seen one camera where we've actually checked it and the levelness of the sensor is out.
Thank you very much.